Alright boys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Nova extension on your screen, on your BullX, on your GM, Photon, whatever you use, because you know we need Nova to get in and out of trades quick in this tricky market. Let's go. First step guys, we're going to go over to your wallet manager. We're going to go check our wallets. We're going to go create a new one right here, the new button. Click that. When you do that, you create a new wallet and then your keys are going to pop up, your private keys. So you're going to go ahead and grab those. It's usually the bottom one, just like this. You copy it, bam, bam, boom. And then we go down into Telegram NovaBot. So we click start, get it all good. Go to your wallet, import wallet, name it whatever you want. BullX YouTube, I'll name it, right? And then once we have it there, it's going to tell us to enter the private key. Should work for you guys. Just make sure you're posting the key. If that key doesn't work, try another key. Alright guys, so once all that's done, we're going to go to the Chrome extension workaround, which is what you see on my screen right here. And it's very simple from here, guys. We're going to go ahead and do the download, the extension right now. So we download this file. And then once it's downloaded, we'll go ahead and move to the next step. Bam. We're going to go check the download. It's going to be right here. It's going to say Nova click. And then we're going to click it and you want to extract it. You want to unzip this file, guys. So we're going to click extract all, extract. And then there it is, guys. Simple as that. Once it's extracted, we're going to go copy this Chrome extension, post it in the URL. Now we're on Chrome extension, guys. So you're going to want to turn off and then turn on developer mode. You want developer mode on. After that, we're going to go on load unpacked on the left side here. And then we're going to get that Nova click file, save folder, load unpacked, and then take the file we just got. There we go, extension loaded, and it'll set it all up right here. As you can see, it's ready to go. We can refresh whatever we want, and then we're gonna go on BullX. We can go trade, and it should be in my extensions. Now we're gonna pin it, obviously, because we want easy access to it. So let's see if this bad boy is ready to go. All right, so there you have it. There's all your presets. You can change your presets from right here. I'm gonna go 0.2, 0.5, and then 1.5 sol, 1.5 sol. And then you could do your sell percentages as well. So let's go ahead and 80 pot if 80, and then you can do your sell percentages as well. So we're going to do 85 in this case and a 0.1 quick buy. Save. Now once you're on a coin, you guys can just go over here. Now once you're on a coin, you can go over here and click the enable panel to get the panel on your screen. And then I would look into changing the settings right here. All right, guys. So for me, for fees, 0.001 is what works for me the best all around. And then 10% buy, 40% slippage. That being said, those are my settings. And now you're ready to trade. In conclusion, guys, NovaBot is the fastest bot there is, the cheapest bot there is, and the most user-friendly bot. You can do many features with it. You can snipe migrations, you can snipe sell migrations, you can snipe CAs from Telegrams, Twitters, whatever you guys need. NovaBot's got it for you. All the links in this video will be in the bio, so you can simply scroll down and get whatever you need. Peace. If you want more helpful information, I suggest you click that subscribe button because I'm coming strong this year, guys. Let's get it. Let's get this money 2025. Let's go. One more thing, guys, you have to be very careful for on Telegram is many people are getting scammed, they're getting drained, they're losing everything, guys. So if you want to avoid that, my best bet is to avoid safeguard bots and do not respond to anybody who DMs you on Telegram, no matter what the circumstances, guys. There's no reason that a moderator of NovaBot, a moderator of BullX is going to message you, DM you, asking you, are you okay? Do you need help with anything, guys? People are dirty. People are trying to make money right now. So protect your funds. Don't fall for any scams because you will get scammed if you answer them. And finally, guys, just open up this link right here. It's called click.tradenova. We're going to put the link in the bio, obviously. Click it. Connect your Telegram to that right there. Boom, boom, bam. Click, click. We're good. Now, guys, finally, everything is success. You're ready to trade. You're ready to go on your journey. Thank you, guys, again. Peace out.